Now to the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine. It's the third authorized across the country. As News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti explains, local health experts tell us this will have a big impact on the pandemic.
Health experts say the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is a game changer in the fight against COVID-19. It works with just one dose instead of two.
This is another tool, another weapon that we have to fight the coronavirus and to get life back to normal and help save lives out in the community.
Doctors at Marion and Sierra Vista Regional Medical Center say there's an advantage in the handling of this new vaccine.
And one of the reasons that the J&J vaccine is so different is that it only requires a general refrigeration storage, which is different than the two mRNA vaccines that we have from Pfizer and Moderna.
Marion doctors say one of the challenges has been the uncertainty in the quantity of the vaccine supply.
We can be vaccinating many more Central Coast residents if we had more vaccine here locally.
Doctors here at Marion Regional Medical Center say they look forward to the millions of Johnson & Johnson vaccines being shipped to states in the next week.
So having another producer of vaccine should help. We expect the state of California this week to receive nearly 400,000 doses.
While it's not yet clear how many doses will be coming to the Central Coast, health experts in both Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo counties expect the supply to increase.
My concern is making sure that everyone who wants to be vaccinated is vaccinated as soon as they can be, especially before the next fall and especially next holiday season.
Our goal is to keep people out of the hospital and to keep people dying from COVID-19. And all signs point to the J&J vaccine being just as effective as the prior two vaccines on the market.
In Santa Maria, Patricia Martellotti, News Channel 12.
San Luis Obispo County is now the first part of the Central Coast to move back into the less restrictive red tier of the state's reopening plan. News Channel reporter Karen Cruz Orduña is live in Nipomo. Karen, how soon will this take effect?
Scott, San Luis Obispo County will move forward to red tier starting tomorrow, and this means that more businesses are going to be allowed to operate. Now, red tier allows for several new businesses to either open or reopen on limited capacities, such as restaurants, gyms, places of worship are allowed to operate indoors with a limited capacity. All schools that haven't reopened yet can also bring students back for in-person classes after 5 days of being in the red tier. Lucia Mar and Paso Robles Unified School Districts plan on reopening middle and high schools in the next 2 weeks. And museums, zoos, and aquariums are allowed to reopen indoors with a maximum capacity of 25%. We spoke to a volunteer at the Oceano Train Depot, a historic railroad museum in the Central Coast. He says the depot has been shut down for a while, and in the meantime, staff members have been repairing the place to keep it up